so glad we got away from that Oswald killer. I'm gonna go to get something. Are you guys good just to stay here? Yeah, Springtrap, you could go. Darmate, yeah, you could go. What about you? Oh, he won't answer. He's just paralyzed. Oh, okay. Can't believe what happened. That mascot killer could have killed all of us. Hey, who said that? Up here. Set me free. Who said that? Set me free. Why is there arms? Oh my god, no. Okay. Set me free. Oswald? No! Help me! Get up! No! No! I'm gonna repay for what you did. Help me! This will be super quick. Plug it in. Now let's turn on the electrocutor. You will be connected to this line. Anything that touches it will be dead. Put your eyeball on it. Wait, what? No! Now, 3, 2, 1. Where's Springtrap, guys? I don't know, wait. Maybe I don't know, actually. I don't even know. Finally, guys, I'm not paralyzed anymore. But where is Springtrap? I don't know. Gotcha! What are you doing here? Thought we killed you. You see, I am the mascot killer. And I actually wanted to take over this village. Why would you want to take over our village? We didn't do anything to you. Well, you're gonna have to fight me for it. Oh, we'll show you. We defeated you easily last time. But this time the devil has given me power. So now I can do whatever I want. Guys, I don't think this is safe. Come here. Whoa. Let me go. Never body. Wait, who's that? Snoopy? I think he might be able to defeat him. Yeah, I actually think he could. Hey, let go of me, you freaking knockoff of Scooby-Doo. Power's activating. What the fuck? Yeah, get him. You mess with my friends, you get the price. Let's stop it. No. Yeah. Guys, it's all up to you now. See you later. Snoopy! You think you could defeat me? Bird spawn. Wait, bird spawn? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh, no, you don't. Yeah. Oh. Maybe these will work. Come on. Yeah. Oh! No, no. Come on, you little bird. Show me what you got. Whoa, no, don't start flying. No, stop it. Whoa. No, stop it. Oh. I can still make it. That's all I have to do. Stop. Stop. Yeah. Foxy. Oh my god. Oh, wait. No. Take a piece of this, you bird scalp. Wait. We got him trapped. I'll have to experiment on you later.